Brown is making a major comeback in the world of interior design, and it's easy to see why it's being hailed as the new black. Long valued for its earthy, grounding qualities, brown is versatile, classic, and inviting, making it an ideal choice for almost any space. Here's a deep dive into why brown is the new go-to hue for modern interiors and how to incorporate it into your design scheme. Why brown is the new black. Just as black has been celebrated for its elegance and versatility, brown offers a unique warmth and sophistication. Unlike the starkness of black, brown introduces a cozy and welcoming vibe that many homeowners find appealing in today's more mindful, comfort-centered design ethos. With shades ranging from light tan to deep chocolate, brown suits a variety of design aesthetics, from minimalist and modern to rustic and traditional. As a neutral, brown can be both a bold statement color and a subtle background tone, offering more dimension and texture than black alone. Decorating with brown. Key tips: layering shades of brown. Play with different tones of brown to create depth and richness in a room. Combine lighter hues, like taupe and caramel, with darker shades, such as espresso and chestnut, for a balanced look. This layering effect adds visual interest and a luxurious feel. Pairing with other colors, brown works beautifully with other neutrals, like beige, cream, and gray. For a bit more contrast, pair brown with soft greens, dusty blues, or even blush pinks. These color combinations add freshness and prevent the room from feeling too heavy. Textures and materials. Incorporating natural materials like wood, leather, and stone brings out the best in brown. Rich textures elevate brown's warmth and help it shine. A leather sofa, a reclaimed wood coffee table, or woven jute accents can make a brown palette feel vibrant and alive. Brown in different spaces. Living room. A dark brown sofa can be the centerpiece of a cozy, inviting living room. Add brown throw pillows, a wool rug, and accent chairs to complete the look. Bedroom. Use brown as a grounding color in the bedroom with a rich chocolate-colored accent wall or a soft caramel-colored bedding set. Kitchen. Brown cabinetry and countertops are trending again, especially in warmer wood tones like walnut or mahogany. Pair these with sleek, modern hardware for a sophisticated look, using brown accents. If you're not ready to commit to a full-on brown palette, start with accents like cushions, rugs, throws, or art pieces. Brown accents blend seamlessly with many color schemes and add a touch of elegance without overpowering the space. Brown versus black, a modern take. While black can sometimes feel overly formal or even cold, brown invites relaxation and warmth. In interior design, especially in open or minimalist spaces, brown can soften the edges and add a more organic feel, ideal for creating comfortable living environments. Brown, the perfect neutral for today's homes. Whether you lean toward a mid-century modern style, rustic farmhouse charm, or a contemporary minimalist look, brown can be adapted to suit your taste. It's versatile, practical, and sophisticated, qualities that ensure brown's growing popularity in interior design. In short, brown is redefining what it means to be a neutral, proving that it's not just the new black, but also a timeless choice for creating stylish, serene spaces. So, if you're looking to refresh your interiors, don't hesitate to introduce a touch of brown. It may just be the warmth and depth your home needs. Creating cohesion with brown. Choose a dominant shade. Start by picking a primary shade of brown that will serve as the anchor for your color scheme. Whether it's a warm caramel, deep espresso, or a soft beige, having a dominant shade helps keep the look consistent and allows you to layer in complementary tones more easily. Mix with light and dark accents. For rooms that need to feel open and airy, use lighter browns with accents in off-white or beige. In spaces where you want a cozier vibe, darker browns paired with deep charcoals, black, or even jewel tones, like emerald or sapphire, can create an inviting, sophisticated look. Layer with complementary textures. Using a mix of textures is key in decorating with brown. Combine sleek, glossy surfaces with rougher, more organic materials to prevent the space from feeling monotonous. For instance, a brown leather couch with a soft woven throw and a polished wooden coffee table adds dimension and tactile appeal. Bringing in metallics. Metals can uplift brown interiors and add an elegant, modern touch. Bronze, copper, and brass are especially effective in highlighting brown tones without overpowering them. Try adding metal-framed mirrors, light fixtures, or side tables for a hint of glamour that pairs beautifully with brown. Styling tips for each room. Dining room. Brown dining tables, especially in rich walnut or oak, are timeless. Pair them with fabric upholstered or leather chairs for a stylish, cohesive look. Don't be afraid to use brown table settings. Think wood bowls, ceramic plates in warm tones, or brass flatware. Office or study. For a productive space with a grounded feel, incorporate dark brown furniture like a desk or shelving. Pair it with neutral or earth-toned accessories and add plants to bring in some natural green, which complements brown beautifully and creates a calming environment. Bathroom. Brown might seem unconventional in a bathroom, but using it in cabinetry, mirrors, and accessories creates a spa-like atmosphere. Light browns and beige tones also work well with white fixtures for a clean, serene look. The importance of lighting with brown. Lighting plays a big role in how brown tones are perceived. In rooms with ample natural light, brown looks warm and lively, while in dimmer spaces, brown can appear deeper and more dramatic. Natural light. In rooms with plenty of daylight, lighter browns and beige tones can make the space feel open and natural. Using sheer curtains can also let in more light, brightening the space without overwhelming the brown elements. Artificial light. For evenings or windowless spaces, warm LED lights, 2,700 to 3,000 Kelvin, work best with brown interiors, highlighting the warmth of the color. If you want a dramatic, cozy ambiance, consider wall sconces or dimmable table lamps that bring out the richness of darker browns. Bringing balance to bold browns. If you're using bold, dark browns, balance is key to avoid a heavy look. White or neutral contrasts. Balancing brown with whites, creams, and light grays brings a contemporary feel. Try a crisp white wall with brown furniture for a fresh, modern look. Artwork and decor. Use artwork or decor in lighter, complementary colors to add visual breaks to the brown palette. For instance, framed artwork with white matting or earthy greens and blues can give a room more vibrancy. Greenery and natural accents. Plants in brown-themed spaces bring life and a sense of organic calm. Choose leafy greens or small succulents in terracotta pots, which subtly complement the brown palette without overwhelming it. Trending brown palettes in interior design. Some popular brown palettes right now include brown and sage. Earthy, yet refreshing, this palette is both calming and inviting. Sage adds a modern edge to brown, making it perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. Brown and blush. For a softer, more romantic look, pair brown with blush pink. This combination is perfect for bedrooms or living rooms, adding warmth and elegance. Brown and navy. For a bold, masculine look, try combining dark brown with navy blue. This powerful contrast can work beautifully in home offices or formal dining rooms. Final thoughts. Embrace the brown revolution. Decorating with brown offers versatility, warmth, and timeless appeal. Whether used as an accent or the primary color, brown adapts beautifully to different styles and brings a natural sophistication that's hard to beat. As interior design trends continue to favor comfort and connection with nature, brown's popularity is likely to keep growing. So, is brown truly the new black? Many designers would say yes, and for good reason. It's both grounding and transformative, lending any space a touch of earthy elegance that feels just right.